everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time stopping by, welcome. My name is Camila Ifoma, and on this channel we do everything beauty, lifestyle, vlogs, whatever you want to see, we do it here. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on your notification button so you'll be the first to know when I upload. Okay, right, so today's video I'm going to be showing you my Sephora must-have and some makeup product I really like. I'll just be sharing it with you guys. I just did a restock, and yeah, that's what we're doing today. First off, drum rolls from Sephora. This is not everything I'll use for my like day-to-day makeup. I mean, I use more product, but I'll just be sharing with some of the ones that just got restocked. Okay, I got this one. It's called the Clinique Moisturizer Surge Intense. This is the first time I'll be using this one. I've seen a lot of reviews on this one. I'll do a review on it when I try it out. The second on my list is the Too Faced Born This Way Super Coverage Concealer. I got this in the shade Cookie. Okay, the third one is a NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. I got this in the shade Medium Deep 3.3 Caracas. Yeah, I got this Airbrush spray, and I could not get the big bottle, so I just picked this mini one. I don't know why I got this Fenty Beauty. It says it's the Hydrating Primer Pro Filter. So I'll be trying this one for the first time. I got the Topical Faded product, the Brightening Eye Mask. I'm sure everyone knows this product now. I've already opened it, so yeah. Up next is one of my favorite products. The main reason why I went for this shopping, I've always wanted this powder, and I finally got it. Can you guess what it is? Let me just read out this. It's Gucci Beauty, baby. So I got the Gucci Beauty powder. I've seen a lot of reviews from different makeup artists, and I've always wanted it, and I finally got it. Yeah, and it's in this box. I got a perfume as well. They are newly launched ones, but in 50 ml, I think. And now I'm just unwrapping this baby. So I got the Gucci powder in shade 10, and I also customized it. Look at that baby, look how pretty. And it's a refill. Like when you're done with this, you can just go back with this and you get a refill. How do I open this? Yes, I got it customized, and I wrote my initials on it. It says IC, and that's for Ifoma Camila. Like I said, I got the newly launched perfume, 50 ml. This one, just the freebies that I got from Gucci as well. I got the, I think this is the lip colors. It says lip colors and mascara and serum. It's a whole lot, but I love it. Next one I got was the Giorgio Armani foundation. This will be the first time I'm trying this product, and yes, I'll come back. It's the Luminous Silk. It's the Luminous Silk Flawless Perfect Glow Flawless Foundation, and I got it in the shade 10. I got my favorite one. This is my favorite spray at the moment. It's the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush spray. See, let me put you on something good. If you want a sweet finish like I have on, you need this spray. I don't know how to explain it, but it just does the work for me. I got the Charlotte Tilbury powder. When you're done with this powder, you can also refill this. I got it in 3 tan. I got the contour wand. It's the latest product, I think, and I got it in the shade Medium Deep. Yes, I can't wait to try this. Up next, Beauty Lip Gloss in 40 Heat. I've not used this particular shade, but I've seen a lot of review, and that's why I'm getting it as well. This is just one of the gifts from Gucci. I got this mascara from Revolution. I got this e.l.f. mascara as well. Also, I got this NYX or NYX Buttermelt blush. I've seen a lot of reviews and that's why I'm trying it out as well. Right, that's the end of this video. That's literally all I got, and you'll be seeing my reviews when I try this product on. Anyways, thanks so much for watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and obviously turn on the notification button, please, so you'll be the first person to know once I upload. See you in my next video. Bye now.